In this video, we are going to learn how to integrate a function. Integration is just the opposite of differentiation. In integration, whenever you see this elongated x, we are just talking about integration. Okay? And integration has a unique formula. Okay? Let's say we have a function. We are told to integrate a function. Remember the elongated x standing for integral. X to the power of n, we are integrating with respect to x. To integrate this function, all we need to do is just to do what? Add 1 to the power or increase the power of the variable x by 1, okay? And also divide by the new power, then plus the constant of integration. So if you look at the function on the board to illustrate this, we are trying to integrate a function, and the function in question is 4x cubed minus 6x squared plus 8x. We are integrating this with respect to x. So to integrate function like this, you can see that it includes integrating a difference and the sum. So what we need to integrate is that we are going to integrate each term in the expression one after the other. So basically, we'll be integrating 4x cubed with respect to x. Then we also we'll integrate the next one, 6x squared with respect to x. And also, we have to integrate the next one, which is 8x with respect to x. So integrating them, we are going to use this particular formula, increase the power by 1 and also divide by the new power. Add the constant of integration. So we basically say that this is a constant, okay? So since we know this now, let's integrate. Since we are integrating this, what do we have? The rule says that we should add 1 to the power, okay? And also we divide by the new power, okay? Then minus, you have 6x squared, you add 1 to the power. You also have to do what? Divide by the new power. Then let's integrate the next one, okay? What do? We add 1 to the power, 1 plus 1, because x is just like x power 1. Then plus the constant of integration. So since we have this, you see that 3 plus 1 is 4. So what do we have? We have 4x power 4 over 4 minus 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. We have 6x cubed over 3. Then the next one is plus, okay, we divide by the new power, 1 plus 1, sorry. Then we have 8x squared over 2 plus c. So the next thing we just have to do to get our answer is just to simplify the whole expression. So 4 can cancel out 4. So the answer is x power 4 minus 3 divided is 1, 3 divided is 2. We have 2x cubed, okay? Then 2 divided is 1, 2 divided is 4. We have what? Plus 4x squared plus c. So this is how we integrate a function like this, okay? So I want you to evaluate 6x power 7 plus 3x squared, integrate it with respect to x. Drop the answer in the comments. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, and comment. Bye.